Hi friends, my name is Purva and welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we started discussing about MongoDB and mongoose queries if you are using them in your services, how to deal with some tips and tricks and create some mongoose queries together. We are going to continue that discussion today. Just a quick recap, we have a schema called students. Each student has a name and is enrolled to a particular number of courses. In the first query, we found how many students are enrolled to a particular course. In the input, we ended up with passing up a comma separated list of courses, which resulted in the records of students which are enrolled to those courses. I have a use case where I want to find out how many students are enrolled to nodejs, but not to mongodb, so that I can recommend mongodb to those students. Let's see how to do that. First, we will input two courses in the query, course 1 and course 2. Again, remember you can also use comma separated list. I am using two different parameters just for simplicity. Mongoose provide an operator called AND for such use cases. Let's remove this line completely. We can rewrite it later. We use AND. What AND takes is an input array of clauses or conditions. Our first condition in our use case would be that courses is in MongoDB. So simply create that clause courses $in course 1. Okay, and the second condition would be something similar. So we'll copy it. Courses not in course 2. Where course 1 and course 2 is array. You can use comma separated list or you can use this if you have a single input. Let's save this and see if this works out. Restarting the service. Go back to Postman. We enter course 1 and course 2 instead of, so we want to find out how many students are enrolled to nodejs and not to mongodb. Then there's only one student pre who is enrolled to nodejs and not to mongodb. Others are enrolled to other courses, but we just wanted to find this combination. Hope it helps. The other use cases could be anything, and you can use this AND operator as per your requirement in any permutation combination. The second operator that Mongoose provides is OR. Like the name suggests, if you'll use this, the output would be if some student is enrolled in MongoDB or other course 2 that you are inputting from the query. That's it for this video. I'm trying to separate different use cases. So in the next video, we'll talk about some other tips and tricks related to array, adding new elements to the array, how to remove the new elements from the array. So keep watching. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and give me a thumbs up or tell me in the comment section if this helps. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more.